for today's video, we got some stuff to do in the old camper here. The propane, I'm trying to think what it's called. It's the propane selector. It goes from tank to tank. Is leaking. Just started leaking, and then of course when I'm trying to find, I think this is it. Yeah, the AUX is broken on this. It's not catching anything. So what we're planning is to try to pull that out and see if we can't fix it. We'll see, but either way, there's 4 screws, 2 here, 2 here, and this should slide out. So we'll put y'all on time lapse and we'll get after it and see what we can't figure out. So it's pretty simple, pretty much. I've numbered these 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I numbered them on here so I can put them back in the right spot. So what I'm going to try is I'm going to try to pull these screws out here and just pull this face off and see if that's going to give us the access to that port that I'm hoping. Worst case scenario, it doesn't work and we'll try something else. All right, so this is broken. Let's see if we can zoom it, focuser. Where's the, there we go. It's not gonna focus. There we go. It's broken. But I actually found this online and I forgot to hit record, but I got the pins pulled out. Oh, you just ain't focusing on nothing. Got the pins out of it. It's $5 for like 10 of them, I think, 5 or 10 of them. But either way, we're gonna try to fix it. So we'll have to come back to this, but that's all right. We'll work on the propane part next. All right, so let's get to this. So what we're gonna do is we're actually going to, let me zoom in, gonna take, take that line off, and then we should be able to unscrew this and bring it out and spin that fitting off. That way we don't have to take that line off. That's the exit line. But we take, like I said, we take that one off, we'll be able to bring this out and change everything out here. This back plate has to be swapped over. So this one's obviously not new. It's been replaced before. I don't know why they didn't put it in there straight, but that wasn't me. But anyways, let's let's get this off, then we'll get it all put out here. I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse, but I don't know. I mean, let me put my finger in there the whole time. Dadgummit. I can't edit that out because I ain't starting the video over again. But anyways, I mean, that door's not very big and I am. So we'll see what it does. All right, so here's the new one and here's the old one. So we're going to pull this off and it'll transfer over here. I might have injured my finger. So what we're going to do is put these on first and then we'll swap these over. But obviously, man, take every brass plugs, everything you can off this right here before you throw it away, if you're going to throw them away. But I've got pipe thread compound, so we're going to pipe thread these, put them on, both of them, and then we'll go to the camper, or well, we'll swap this over Then we'll put it back in the camper. See if I can't put that thing back in the right spot where it was before. But if not, it's just got 4 screws. Hey, I'm good with it. Yeah, so they're not exactly the same size. And so I put Loctite on it, so it should be fine. But a little disappointed in that. But it ought to be all right. It'll still work. Like I said, I put Loctite on there, and we'll bolt it on there, and we'll just keep an eye on it. I bet it'll be just fine. So those 2 screw holes, that's it. There's no other ones. So I guess I was wrong. So we got everything put in there, tightened up, pipe doped up. So now stick the propane tank up and we'll turn it on and we'll spray it with some soapy water to make sure it's not leaking. So, well, sorry for the focusing. Not leaking there, not leaking there, not leaking there. So, we got that fixed. Now we'll work on, as soon as the parts come in, we'll fix the radio. And by the way, I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but if you're Ted Pool, somebody stole your tank and stuck it in my camper and stole my full tank about 4 years ago. Just letting you know, you're not getting it back, but just letting you know. All right, getting back on the camper. Look, we finally showed up. Now the difference between this and the other ones that come off is these little tabs, which, that's weird. These little tabs right here, it's not gonna focus in on it. Come on, focus in. There we go. We're straight on the other one, so I'm gonna have to take in, about 5. Of course, that's what they come in, and we're gonna bend them down. Now, with this all being said, I have never done this. I've watched a few videos on it, and from what the video shows, we're gonna get the soldering iron. They said let it get really good and hot. You want to make sure that it's super warm, super hot, ready to go before you start putting it in there. And then once you get those through the little holes, put just a little dab on the back side of it. And that's, I can't say it's going to work, but that's what I'm going to try. So I'll put y'all on fast mode and let's give it a shot. make fun. I know it's not straight. I know the board looks a little burnt, but there's nothing on that end that it goes to. Come on, focus in there. There we go. Worst case scenario, it doesn't work. Best case scenario, it works. Guess we're fitting to find out. Let's put her back together. All right. Ha! Look at there. She works. I am excited about that. So there we go. We got her fixed. So that's the propane and this thing fixed. I think it's been a pretty good day. Been a pretty good day. And before I forget, I did say, Lord, if you let this work, I will give you the praise for it all. And it worked. So I'm gonna make sure that I say that. Anyways, that's it for this video. Tune in for the next one.